Good morning. So I'm back under the car, and today I replaced the transaxle mount, or the differential mount in the back. And the problem was I didn't have enough clearance anymore on the old one. You can see I can get in here with my finger completely. And this gap here, this rubber was actually riding on top of that nipple. That's how far that had come down. And you can see this. I got the jack off the transaxle. You can look through it, off the rear differential to be correct. And what that has caused has caused the CV boot to break. And you can see this is the original CV boot by the clamp. So this is a CV boot which just recently broke, probably within the last 50 miles. And it was just because of the mount, because it has come down too far, and that puts more strain on these old CV joints. This is the outer boot. That one is brittle, as you can see, and that has to be replaced too. And then I can show you my brake caliper. That's the Mercedes Benz one I'm trying to replace, but there's, like I said, there's no rush for those, because they're actually in a pretty decent shape for the age. They're probably 32 years old. And if we can get some light over here, we will be able to see that this is an original part. I could not tell you of the moment. Yeah, there you see it right there. Little bit in there, the Mercedes Benz star and the part number. So that's all good. For the moment, so I'm not going to do the calipers today, which I wanted, because I'm going to do the CV joints. This is the CV joint on the left boot, and you can see how they're starting to crack. And that comes from that angling, and that gets worse. And that's the outer one on the left-hand side. So the axle itself is okay. This is my muffler. And you can see that someone hit something that is flattened out. Someone drove over something. That's typical for those things. And I had replaced the mounts here, the rubber bands. That is all replaced. So that's where I'm at with this here. So I'm going to postpone the calipers, and I'm going to do the CV joints first, but I had to fix this here because the new boots otherwise will go bad too if you're gonna put them on the old mounts when they have collapsed. Let me just show you what that looks like. Yeah. These are the new ones, the ATE ones I got. They're new, $125, and I got a matching set. And this is the actual mount, and you can see this. There is virtually no more clearance here. I cannot get in here with my finger. And what happens is they come down, they move down. This is usually lined up here with the rubber, and they just wear out. This one really isn't cracked yet, but you can see it has some form of cracks. But it has just collapsed downward. And this is an aftermarket one they put on some time ago. And I don't know how long that was on there. I could not find any Mercedes Benz numbers or anything on there. So when you do before you do CV boots, replace this here, $130 for Mercedes, or $150. That will get the whole system back aligned. And well, that concludes it for today, and you have a great day. Thank you.